In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI Generator. So first head over to Canva AI and here you can see different tools like design, image, doc, code, and video clip. Just choose the tool that you need. Inside design, you can create social media designs and posts. You can also create presentation here and marketing designs and even cards and invitations. So say for example, you want to create something for an Instagram post. So here just click on design, then choose social media. And for category, choose Instagram post. Now here in this text box, simply type in or paste your prompt like this one and click on the submit button so that AI will start generating according to your prompt. Canva AI might give you different options, so just choose the best option from the results. And lastly, customize the design by editing the text, change images, adjust colors, and add elements to match your brand. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!